Hey there, YouTube creators. Have you ever dreamed of having a professional-looking studio, but held back because of the cost? I have seen many creators spending a lot of money to have a great studio setup. It requires many things and a lot of effort, such as lights, furniture, space, and much more. Those who have millions of subscribers often have amazing studio setups because a great setup can make your videos look professional, attract more viewers, and keep your audience excited. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your dream YouTube studio without spending a single penny. So, if you're serious about growing your channel and standing out on YouTube, you definitely don't want to miss this. Alright, let's dive right into it. There are several AI tools available to help you create stunning images. You can use free software like Microsoft Copilot, Adobe Express, Leonardo, Pixels, Pixlr, or Canva. There are also paid options like Midjourney and DALL-E, but today, I'm going to use a powerful AI tool called Ideogram to generate stunning images for your dream studio setup. Ideogram is an image generation tool that uses AI to create high-quality visuals, and the best part is, it's completely free. First, head over to the Ideogram website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you will see a dashboard like this. Now simply click on the plus icon, and this is the prompt box where I am writing my prompt. Design a beautiful YouTube studio room with a calm night view and a focused atmosphere. A subtle neon board with Alex in bold is centered on the wall, which is adorned with a vibrant blue light setup. The dark fantasy and anime aesthetic is enhanced by a small bookshelf, a table with tech gadgets, a lamp, and a fan. An AC unit, large screen TV, and YouTube play button complete the decor. This 3D rendered space blends anime elements with a modern studio feel, creating an inviting and creative environment. Don't worry, I have provided the exact prompt in the video description, so you can check it out. Now choose styles like vibrant, dark fantasy, or anime. Also, let the magic prompt be turned on and choose the aspect ratio 16:9. Then click Generate. The AI will work its magic and provide you with 4 different studio design options. You can choose any of them and download it. You can also tweak the prompt and styles to your preferences. I suggest regenerating it by changing styles and tweaking prompts. And there you have it, a zero-cost way to visualize. And now you can start creating your dream YouTube studio with the help of AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Now, if you want to generate AI thumbnails for free, click the video on the right side of your screen. I'll see you in that video. Bye.